Hi, AT from CNC at Home. Recently, I did a project with coasters using my AtomStack P7 laser, and in doing that, I did a material test. It got me thinking I should really do a material test on my LC-50 Plus to make sure that I have numbers for doing slate. I also was thinking I needed to have numbers for doing the business card blanks. I had done a project recently with the AtomStack and had to get new numbers for that because I had never done a project with business cards using the AtomStack P7. So today I wanted to go through doing this. An important thing is to go look at your material library. It turns out I already had numbers for slate. I had done a project some time back using this laser. I'd already come up with the numbers. So when I went to put these in, lo and behold, I already had something in there. Anyway, I have an extra sample of material testing that I can use. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let's look at the business cards. In getting ready for doing the business cards, I had focused the laser, at least I thought I had. With this new honeycomb wasteboard that I had in place, it sits up higher. And it turns out that when I lowered the laser, it didn't hit my focusing block. It actually hit a limit to how far it would go down. So not only is the camera out of focus, but we can see that the burn was out of focus as well. It may not be as easy to see, but it's kind of fuzzy around the edges. So what I did was I put something underneath the business card and I tried again. This time I made sure it was actually focused, and the end result was much better. It was much crisper and it gave me accurate numbers for the black business card. The camera, unfortunately, still out of focus. I need to work on that. I looked at these numbers, found one that I really liked, and I got that added to my material library. I did the same process for the pink, and then for the gold, then the blue, and then the silver business cards. Most of them work out about the same. You need much more power on the blue because it's a blue laser. It reflects more of the energy. And on the silver one, there's really not a whole lot of coating to burn away, so you have to go quite slow on that as well. Now I have some numbers to go off of when using the LC-50 Plus on the black, pink, gold, blue, and silver business cards. An interesting thing with the silver, I really had to go at a slow pace to get it to do the etching. And on this really slow, high power, it actually turned kind of a black color, which will be interesting. That'll give us something a little extra we can do with those silver cards. We can get two tones out of it. We could do something that's more of a whitish, almost kind of silvery color, and then that black. I've gone through each one of these and picked out the numbers that I think look pretty good, and I've added those into my material library. It's important that you do these material tests on your laser. That way it will work for you. Each laser is a little different. The speeds might be a little different. The power is going to definitely be different. And that can change over time as well. So it's important that you use your settings for your laser with the materials that you use. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content of our channel, think about subscribing, as that really helps us out. Enjoy doing your CNC at Home projects.
Oops.